You might have thought we were done with unit conversions, but multiplying by ratios is what we've been doing with unit conversions. For this problem, we want to convert 238.2 pounds per square yard into kilograms per square meter. So what we do is look for a conversion factor between both pounds and kilograms, and then again between yards and meters. So the conversion between yards and meters, let's start with that. So the conversion between yards and meters, and I know it's yards squared and meters squared, but I don't have that conversion. But I do see that 1 yard equals 0.914 meters. In the pounds to kilograms, I see that 1 pound or 1 kilogram equals 2.205 pounds. We can use this information to do this conversion. So we have 238.2 pounds per yard squared. Let's do pounds to kilograms first. Since pounds start off in the numerator, I want it in the denominator. And that means kilograms is going in the numerator. It's 1 kilogram to 2.205 pounds, and that will cause the pounds and the pounds to simplify out. And we'll be left with kilograms. Now let's look at the yards. Since yards starts in the denominator, I want it to simplify out by putting it in the numerator, which means meters is going to be in the denominator. This says that 1 yard equals 0.914 meters. But the thing is, this is not complete because we're dealing with square yards. So what we have to do is we have to square that entire conversion factor. That means this turns into 1 squared, yard squared, 0.914 squared, and meters squared. That will cause the square yards and the square yards to simplify out. Okay, at this point, we have 238.2 times 1 times 1, and the unit is kilograms. For the denominator, we have 2.205 times 0.914 squared. Remember order of operations. Exponents come before multiplication. And then the unit is meters squared. Crunching those numbers, we get 121.99833386 kilograms per meter squared. This is not our final answer because we do not have that level of precision or level of accuracy. The directions for this problem say that we should round our answer off to the nearest hundredth, if necessary. The nearest hundredth is that second column or second digit place after the decimal, and so what we want to do is we want to look to the number after it. In this case, the number after it's an 8, so we would round up. Rounding up with 9s means that kind of dominoes into the next place value, and so that 9 at the end would turn into a 10, which looks like a 0 with a 1 in the next place. That was also a 9, so that would also turn into a 10, and it continues dominoing up until we end up with the answer 122.00 kilograms per meter squared. We want the last 2 zeros to show the significance of that number. Thank you.